Hi there, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. I got all of our groceries for the whole week for my whole family, my family of 4, me and my husband and my 2 boys. I'm going to share with you all the groceries along with our meal plan for the week that I have in my favorite meal planning book that I use every week. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I love sharing with you the groceries that we get. I really try and stick to a strict budget of $200 per week. So some weeks I have to get pretty creative. This week I was slightly over budget at $208, but that's okay. That's still very close. $208 for the week, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'll share with you everything we're having for the week. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and always leave me a comment if you have any questions. All these groceries are from Walmart. I do a pickup once a week and it just saves me so much time, and by meal planning and budgeting out my meals, it just really saves money as well. So I love being organized. I love saving money. Let me share with you all the groceries that I got for this week. So here is this week's grocery haul pickup. Lots of stuff, and I have lots of meals to share with you. I'm really excited for this week. One of my New Year's resolutions was to try more new meals, have my family try some new things. So lots of fun meals coming up in all of my videos, so make sure you subscribe. I'm going to start over here. We go through 2 packets of chicken breasts per week, just boneless, skinless. We grill it up. I do a lot of chicken in the crock pot as well, so we do a lot of chicken. I got some tortilla chips. Don't normally get them, but my kids really love avocados, and they just make their own guacamole. They just mash up avocados and call it guacamole. So I did get some chips this week. Some brown gravy, that's going to go in one of my crock pot meals. Broccoli is one of our favorite vegetables. I got some frozen peas and carrots. That's going to go into a casserole that I'm making this week. This is a box or a package of, it's 3 pounds of ground turkey, and I make a lot of ground turkey taco meat. We do tacos a lot on our busy nights, and I make it up and I freeze it into portions. I just did a freezer meal prep video about a week and a half ago. Check that out. I make some of my taco meat and freeze it up in that video. Popcorn is one of our favorite snacks. My kids just love popcorn. I got some protein bars for my husband. We usually get these at Costco, but he is out, so I need to hold him over for a few days until I make a Costco run. So I do try and go to Costco about every 3 months to stock up on some things that are just a better value buying in bulk. I got some oatmeal, and this is just a big pack. It's really inexpensive, but I like to have it in the pantry. This maple brown sugar, 20 pouches, so that lasts a while. Some bread for my kids' sandwiches for school. I pack their lunches for school each day, and one of my kids does a peanut butter sandwich each day. Avocados, they were on sale, which I love. Avocados have been kind of hit and miss lately, so hopefully this is a good batch. I'm not sure. They were on sale, so I did get a couple more, and maybe they're not going to be that great, but I just couldn't pass up the price. Lots and lots of apples. We go through a ton of apples. I get the Pink Lady apples, which is our favorite, and so we go through a ton. This is some thick sliced ham back here. My other son, he likes ham in his lunches. I have some green chili enchilada sauce that's going to go into a crock pot meal that I'm doing. Some cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, also another casserole recipe for this week. This sugar-free teriyaki marinade is really, really good. This brand, J. Hughes, makes a ton of sugar-free sauces, and they're all really amazing, but this teriyaki marinade, it's so good. So definitely needed to stock back up on this. I have grapes, one of our favorite fruits. Back here is some pepperoncinis. I'm gonna do a meatball, Mississippi meatballs, and it's kind of like the Mississippi pot roast version. It'll be in the crock pot, and of course there'll be a video on that. Bananas, we go through a lot of bananas, lots of fruit. We go through a lot of fruit. Edamame, this is my favorite. I love it as a snack, but it's just a great side also for veggie side for dinner. But you just steam this in the bag, it's frozen, and it's just wonderful. Carrots, lots of carrots. We just love snacking on them. Blueberries, more fruit. Walnuts, my husband puts these in his yogurt, and he does yogurt, walnuts, and blueberries. So that's one of his favorite snacks. And this is his favorite yogurt. It says Too Good. It's 2 grams of sugar per serving. This Too Good vanilla. So getting 2 of these this week. My kids like it also, so we had to stock up. Some corn for, I'm gonna do a chicken noodle casserole. That will be amazing. Some plain yogurt, some heavy whipping cream, cottage cheese, one of my favorite snacks. My kids love it as a snack also. We needed some butter. I got these yogurt tubes. My kids love these. We freeze them, and it's kind of like a popsicle dessert that they just love. I get these tortillas every week. My husband makes everything into a burrito almost. They're 3 carbs per tortilla. This is the burrito size, and they're pretty big. He can really put a lot into that, but he loves these. I get these just about every week. Sandwich tins, again, for my husband's lunches. He makes sandwiches. This jalapeno artichoke dip is one of my favorite things ever. It's just the Walmart brand, the Market Side brand. I'm going to be doing an appetizer this week, and I'm going to be using this with the appetizer, and it is so addicting. So I try not to get it very often because I definitely overeat with it because it is so, so good. I got a lot of cheese. We were pretty low on all of our cheeses. My younger son, he likes blocked cheese and likes me to cut off like a chunk. And then sliced cheese for sandwiches, lots of shredded cheese. My other son, he does a lot of quesadillas. He likes quesadillas on the weekends. So got a lot of cheddar, shredded cheese, lots of cheeses in general. A big thing of milk. We do a lot of cereal, but also I've been making a lot of sugar-free pudding, and I got quite a few boxes last week. So a lot of those puddings are just super good, and I get sugar-free. My kids like them. And then almond milk. This is for my husband's smoothies and protein shakes. So these are all of the groceries. Let me share with you my meal planning book. And I just love this book so much. I got it on Amazon, so I will put a link to it in the description box. I have been using it for a really long time. I mean, here is all of these pages of everything I've been using it for. It is just so fun to track all of our meals. So let me take you to this week's page. We are going to do crock pot pork loin. I have a pork loin left over from last week. Chicken noodle casserole. I'm going to do spaghetti meatballs. It's my kids' favorite thing right now. Crock pot chicken enchiladas on Thursday. We're going to do leftovers because that crock pot is going to make a lot of food. And then I'm going to do the crock pot Mississippi meatballs on Saturday. And then chicken teriyaki rice bowls with my favorite sugar-free teriyaki sauce, of course. So that is the meal plan for the week. Here are the groceries for the week. And I am also going to show you today, I got a new ice maker. So I'm going to set it up and show you how it works. But I hope that you liked all these groceries. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and let me show you this awesome ice maker. So I got this new ice maker. I'm going to unbox it for you and show you exactly how it comes in the packaging. But it's a countertop ice maker, and I got a similar one of these many, many years ago for my family to use at my parents' house, and they really liked it. So I have been wanting one to have at our house recently because we just don't like the ice maker in our refrigerator. So let me pull this out. It comes really, really well packaged. I want you to see how awesome and secure it is in here for shipping, which is very important. So let me pull it out of here. Okay. And this is a really nice size. It is not too big, not too small. It'll definitely make plenty of ice. So really, really fun. We go through a lot of ice in drinks and little mini coolers because I pack our food pretty much everywhere we go. We do a lot of sports with the kids and little outings on the weekends, and almost always pack our food. So lots of little ice that we use. So this is really cool looking. So here is the cord, of course. And I really do like the size of this. It is a really great size. So let me see what else we got here. We got a little handle. So this is gonna go in here, which this makes it really awesome for moving it around. Really nice. Okay, here is the quick guide is what it's called. All of the instructions. So let's see. It has, so add water, ice full, it connects to the Wi-Fi, small and large, so different sizes of ice. So let's see what is in here. So there's a scoop in here, and here's a tray, and then the water in there. So awesome. I am going to get this all cleaned out. I'm going to clean it really well before I start using it, obviously. So let me clean it up and we'll get it going. Okay, so I added water to, there's a fill line in here. I added my water in, and you just press ice and it turns on and is ready to go. So it looks really cool. I'm gonna give it some time to make some ice.